a little muffin fan with a remote control. Or is it? No, it's actually one of those portable pedestal fans that you can take along with you to camping or whatever. Yeah. I saw this at the same Goodwill shop as that Duracraft fan you saw earlier. $6, and I figured why not? Includes the remote. And even if it didn't have the remote, all the controls are on the panel, so I'll show that off in a moment. But, yeah. USB-C. Perfect. Because the last one I had the USB micro, and that thing was so knackered it wasn't even funny. And, yeah. So let's get this unfolded and check it out. Alright, let's go. In fact, it even has closed, open, more or less to tell you which way to do this. So, there it is. And in fact, it even I'll show that off later. But yeah, there it is. Primevolve. Sort of like primitive, but we're evolving. I think there was supposed to be like a little cap right there. I don't know where it went. And the remote. And there's the on speed and the oscillating thing. I'll show that off in a moment. But let's turn on the remote. So I ain't gonna get the flag because, well, you can adjust the speed. That's actually like a natural thing, which I don't really like because it just puts too much strain on the motor. It's like the constant speed up, speed down, speed up, speed down. It's kind of silly in a way. Okay, so normally I would press off, but oh, okay. Apparently the off button turns on the little oscillation thing. Cool. Could this be any slower? Let's look at the model number information and stuff. It's a model PF11S. Hey look, it says portable folding fan. Operating voltage DC 5 volts at 2 amps. Operating power 1.2 to 4.3 watts. Since I don't have a spare wall board, we're not going to worry about that, but yeah. So yeah, let's extend it all the way up and see how it looks. Alright, I have it in front of the TV for the time being, just to show how tall it is. I mean, I think it's about maybe 3 feet tall, 3.5, I don't know. I'm 5'6", so it'd be kind of an inconclusive comparison, but whatever. And I guess, like others, if you turn it off while it's on high, it resets back to low. Not bad. Alright, that's going to do it for this show and tell, this Primevolve portable folding fan. Model PF11S. Probably not going to use it as the height intended. I'm probably just going to leave it like this. So at least I can tilt it down if need be. Tilt it up if need be. And if I need to tilt it even further, yeah, but probably not. I don't know. All depends on kind of where it is, I guess. And it's better than that last one I had, because that one, like I said, had jacked up USB micro jack and couldn't fix it. This one got the USB-C, so USB-C, so it will do. It will do. So, till next time, whatever it is, I'm Eskie. Thank you for watching. Comment box open.